If your job involves emails, spreadsheets, meetings, reports, or presentations, this video applies to you. AI isn't coming for some jobs, it's coming for corporate jobs first. And here's the worst part. Most people who get replaced won't see it coming. They'll find out when their workload mysteriously drops, or when their team gets restructured, or when a tool quietly starts doing 40% of what they used to do. Now let me be very clear. AI will not replace everyone, but it will replace people who use their job description as protection instead of leverage. AI doesn't replace job titles, it replaces tasks. And corporate jobs are basically a bundle of predictable tasks: writing, summarizing, analyzing, reporting, coordinating, which means the safest employees aren't the smartest. They're the ones who know how to use AI inside their role. There are basically three types of employees. Type 1 is the ignorer. The ignorer pretends AI is a fad, uses the same workflows, gets blindsided. Type 2 is the tourist. The tourist watches AI videos, tries random tools, but never applies them at work. Type 3 is the integrator. The integrator quietly uses AI to finish work faster, produce better output, and look more strategic. This is who gets promoted while others get reorganized. If you want to survive AI in a corporate job, stop asking, will AI replace my job? And start asking, which parts of my job should AI do for me? This channel exists for one reason: to help corporate professionals avoid being replaced by AI by cutting through the hype and showing you how to actually use it at work without becoming technical. If that matters to you, subscribe.